Country ETFs or exchange traded funds provide an opportunity to invest in other countries without buying any individual stocks. If you want to take advantage of potential gains in one or more economies of the world, you can use the country ETFs. If the economy of a country is growing faster than the rest of the world, these ETFs provide an opportunity for the investors to take advantage of those trends. Watch this video till the end, as I have provided a name of the ETF which has an annual dividend yield of more than 10%. Hello, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, my name is David Das, a retired engineer, and you are watching my YouTube channel, Think and Retire. In this channel, I talk about building wealth and income from the stock market. If you find value in this video, please like and share. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so and press the bell icon so you're notified whenever I upload new videos. Please keep in mind that this video is for educational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor, and this video is not a recommendation to buy or sell any securities. Please do your own research before investing. Based on World Economics research, over the past 10 years, the world economy has grown by over 35%. Now there are more opportunities to participate in this growth. One of them is the country ETF or the exchange traded funds. This is one way of diversify your portfolio. For example, if you have 60 to 80% of the portfolio invested in your home country, you can buy these ETFs to participate in the economy of other countries as well. I will go through the list very quickly and you can see which ETFs perform better than the others. If you are interested in any one of these, write them down and add them to your watch list for further research. Please keep in mind that this is not the complete list. I have added more information in the description box below. You can press those links and access that information. If you own any one of these international ETFs, you can share them in the comment section below. Most of these ETFs normally pay semi-annually or annually, and the dividends are generally very slow. As I have mentioned before, I'm going to mention the name of the ETF which has an annual dividend yield of more than 10%, and that ETF is iShares MSCI Taiwan ETF with the ticker symbol EWT. According to the website, the dividend yield is 10.45%, but if you do the math yourself, you will find the last year on December 2023, they paid a dividend of $5.53 when the price of the stock was $43.43. So that means it was about 12.7% dividend yield. It doesn't mean it's going to pay that dividend this year or moving forward, but it paid pretty good dividend last year. If you find this video useful, please like and share. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so and press the bell icon so you do not miss my future videos. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Happy investing.